Tired of endless filters? Imagine being your own real-life filter. Stay tuned for ultimate guide to looking like a walking Instagram filter. You won't want to miss this. If you want to look like a filter in your real life, it's important to wash your face because it doesn't matter what you do during the makeup. The thing that matters is that what you do before starting your makeup. And just remember to do it with a gentle cleanser. After cleansing my face, I use this product, which is amazing. I give it a gentle massage that also stimulates blood flow under my skin. To start my makeup, I use a tapping technique to apply my primer. For a smooth base, remember to blend it well. Now we're done with the priming mission. As you can see, my skin is great and is waiting for a great makeup as well. A moisturizing sunscreen is a must in my makeup routine. I never go out without the sunscreen. I'm using this Avon sunscreen. I love this. Now for the foundation, I'm using this Maybelline foundation. It's good for a daily makeup routine. I'll use this wet beauty blender. Now I'll be gently tapping the foundation onto my skin for a natural, even coverage. Let's work some magic with the concealer to make those imperfections disappear. I'm using a little concealer. I'm putting it under my eyes and a little bit on the forehead. I also apply it on the back of my eyelids. I blend these things with this. I'm using a tapping technique. I look like a ghost right now. Don't worry, it will be alright. So the next step is to use a setting powder. I want to set everything in one place. I'm gonna clean it. Alright, I want to come back to my human version. I'm gonna give a little bit color to my face. I'm gonna use a powder contour. For a good contour, you should start with your hairline. This is my hairline, as you can see. Stop somewhere around here. I'm gonna blend it a little bit. Now, for a blusher, I grab another brush and I only apply it on the apples of my cheeks, somewhere right here. And a little bit of here and here and here. Do you see? I don't look like a ghost anymore. I came back to my human version. Now for highlighter, I'm gonna use this brush and I'm gonna apply it here. Now for my eyes, I grab a flat brush and take a small amount of light brown color for the base of my eyes. Now with a small brush, I'm trying to create a little bit shape for my eyes. I'm gonna use a darker brown. Don't forget to blend it with a small fluffy brush. Here's the result. Now, what I'm going to do right now is to use a dark brown and to try to apply an eyeliner for my eyes. I also try to connect these two lines together. I grab a black eyeliner and I try to follow the natural shape of my eyes. Okay, so I'm gonna start with this part. Applying false lashes would be much easier after eyeliner. Eyebrows. Eyebrows are just like very important because they create the shape of your face. They're like the frame to your face and you just have to be careful with them. I use an eyebrow shadow to fill in my eyebrows. For the tip of my eyebrows, I'll be using a very sharp eyebrow pencil. I just want to create light strokes at the tip of my eyebrows. It's just my favorite technique. And then I just brush it simply. See how clean and natural they are? I want to use a lip liner. It's really important to use a lip liner before applying lipstick. So I'm using a Faber-Castell lip liner. I love anything related to Faber-Castell, so that's why I'm using this. And it's also good. I just want to simply follow the natural line of my lips. I'm going to slightly overline my lips because this is gonna give it like a more beautiful shape. Alright, before applying your lipstick, I want to give you a technique that will make your lipstick stay throughout the day. And what is that? Just watch. I'm gonna fill my lips with this lip liner. After doing that, use a fixing powder. Do you see that? Isn't that amazing? You could leave your lips like that. You could add some other color. I want to add another color as well. I'll be using another lipstick. I love it. That's it. Now, the final step, as you all know, is to use a setting spray. Oh! We're done. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Be sure to catch my upcoming video about the secrets of summer glow throughout the year. Thank you for watching.